All right, guys, final product here, finally installed. Look at how close, slight poke with the rims. These are 22 by 9.5 plus 33 in the front of my LS. Not lowered at all yet. And it's just, I had to put 3mm, very small spacers right there, 3mm. So this is basically a plus 30 with a, yep, you see all the glue and all that crap on the tire. I haven't washed it yet. So it's at the bottom, of course, 265, 30, 22. And it's got a nice stretch to the tire. It's not crazy, but it's very nice. I'm liking that look. I was gonna go with a 255, but they wouldn't. Discount Tire for some reason said the load rating wasn't sufficient, but some people are going with 245, 30. And again, that little ball joint in the back, it was hitting, but yeah, you can't see it. So that's the front. At the rear is a 285, 30, 22 on a 10.5, and I thought there was going to be no stretch to the tire, but it matches obviously with the other. I like the look too. I wanted some more tire. I didn't want a 295, 25 to go with that. I need to put the center cap on, but I mean, you can kind of see some of the tire on the side here. So that is a plus 38 in the back. And yeah, you got the rest. So the whole look, night and day difference. That's amazing. I like the I didn't want to go with a black rim because I wanted to still show off the spokes and the sun and everything. I don't like just, I know the white and the black, but that's kind of played. I did go with a black roof, got it wrapped, and I got some more things in mind, but hopefully you guys enjoy it. Big difference. I'm digging the look. I love this front end. The LS is crazy dope. The new ones are nice too, but I didn't want it, the car's so long. This is pretty long. It won't even fit in my garage, but that front end, man, that's priceless. The triple beam headlights. I just love the swoop right here as it swoops down. The LED fog lights. It's ridiculous. All right, y'all. Hopefully you enjoy.